Hi guys, I just wanted to touch base about a common thing that gets said to me in the consult room when I see dogs that are a little bit older. And that is, oh, he's slowing down a bit, but I guess that's just because he's old. Now, I am here watching my two dogs. So I've got a 10-month-old puppy who's super active, and I've got a 14-year-old dog as well. So right up two ends of the spectrum. And about 2 minutes ago, we're sitting there playing and tearing apart or trying to tear apart a toy teddy bear. It's not always like that. There are certainly days that Allie, my older dog, doesn't quite feel up to it. And that's when I know I really need to have a look at her overall health picture and what I can do to alleviate the pain. Because I know she can play and I know she can be really active, and I know that it's not fun for her when she's not feeling well and she is feeling painful. So if you've got an old dog and you do think they're just slowing down, I urge you to go to your vet for a checkup and have a chat to them. Now, there's a range of things that we can do, and there are certainly medications and anti-inflammatories that can help. So that's like a daily medication, or there's the other alternatives where you now have a new once a month injection, which is actually what I've started Allie on, and I've had really, really good response from that. It's not an anti-inflammatory, it's what we call a monoclonal antibody, so it's really safe in older dogs. But there's also a lot of more natural therapies too. So if you're not sure or you're unsure about, medications, or if your dog has got some pre-existing health conditions, then please talk to your vet about the options of some of the either non-drug or natural therapies that are around. A couple of things just to name them. So laser therapy is very effective, and that can help healing from within. So it works at what we call the mitochondrial level to help reduce inflammation and pain. Also myotherapy, massage, and giving you some exercises to help your dog's recovery and help them in their mobility. There are some nutraceuticals that can be super effective as well. And they all kind of just depend on how your dog responds to them. So there's things like Foresight, which is an epitalus gel, which are found to be very effective. And for me, coming from a science background, I like the fact that it's got some good science behind it, that they do pressure plate testing at the University of Melbourne, and we see some really good actual response from that. And then there are some of your other nutraceuticals like glucosamine and your anti-inflammatories, your omega-3 fish oils, that are all found to be very effective to help in the whole cycle. So there's often, we find if we do a combination of these things is when we get the best response. Other things are home. So what is your home like? Does your dog have a comfortable bed? Is there a warm place for them to sleep? We do find winter is a time that things do seize up a little bit, and we can see a little bit more pain associated with that. So making sure that they've got a really nice bed area. And do they have, if you've got particularly like quite a lean dog with a short haircut, like a whippet or greyhound, making sure that they've got a little jumpy on if you go out on those chilly mornings. That's about it for now. One of probably the main thing that I want to say is make sure that your pet doesn't put on too much weight. Keeping them at a good body condition is a really important thing to do, because the increased weight not only adds to the pressure on the joints, but fat in itself is an inflammatory organ, so it actually itself causes some inflammation. So if we're going to reduce that down and keep them at a healthy weight range, it's also going to help minimize any of the impacts of arthritis. So I hope it's been a quick insight, but a few different options for your dogs as they age, particularly if you think that they are slowing down.